Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get copper in Windrose. First of all, what you need to do is to find a cave that contains copper ore. These caves can be found in the coastal jungle biome, which is the beginning biome. The caves look something like this. You have a giant rock and a opening on one side, like this. Using a lamp is recommended, but not necessary. Also, you need to have a stone pickaxe to mine the copper ore. I've already mined some in this cave, but as you can see, somewhere here should be some more copper ore. Here you can see some poor copper ore and some copper. Now, once you've mined enough copper ore, you want to go ahead and exit the cave through this opening and travel back to your base. Once you're back at the base, you'll need to have the smelting furnace and charcoal kiln crafted, which can be made from some wood and clay, the charcoal kiln and smelting furnace from some clay and stone. Now, to smelt the copper, you'll need to make some charcoal in the charcoal kiln using some wood. Nextly, when you have enough charcoal and copper ore, you can make some copper ingots from 4 copper ores and 1 charcoal. And this is how you get copper ingots. This is gonna be all. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.